Hi, I am Barry Hardman, and I'm an instructor here with CCAR. Today I'm going to teach you how to put an email signature in the emails that you send out from the MLS when you send an auto email, etc., etc. And what that looks like is if I send an email out like this one here, I have my email signature right here on every email that I send out, and I have my information about brokerage services spelled out right there. I made it a clickable link. So I'm going to show you how to set this up, because if you start sending auto emails to people, well, this might be the first time that you're having a substantive conversation with somebody about a property, and at that point you need to insert your IBS here. So here's how you do that. The first thing you need to do is go log into the MLS, and you come up to your home page. Okay, and then you want to put your cursor on top of My Matrix and bring your cursor all the way down to where it says My Information. So you click on My Information, and then on the top here you got Information, Header, Footer, CMA, Email Signature. You want to click on Email Signature, and here's my email signature, which just happens to look exactly like what is in the email right here that I sent myself. I put myself in there. I send myself emails from the MLS so that I can see what my clients will see. I pretend to be my own client. So you click on email signature right here, and you type in whatever you want to type in for your email signature. You can copy mine exactly the way you see it here, but I'd put your information in there instead of mine if you want feedback. Or you could type in whatever you want to. So I just typed in, by the way, the Texas Real Estate Commission requires I provide to a consumer at the first substantive conversation about a property, the TREC, information about brokerage services. So please click on the link and discover about agency and how you can be represented. Now, I abbreviated the word TREC because in 531.20 TREC rules, it says that you could abbreviate Texas Real Estate Commission with just TREC if you're using 12-point font or larger. And this is a 14 font. You can see it right there. So I abbreviated it. So you type in whatever you want to type in here. Okay. Now to make this a clickable link, which I have here, you have to find out where are you going to get that link. So it has to be somewhere that's open 24/7, and that's not a place on your desktop that's used. That's going to probably be in Google Drive or OneDrive or something like that. I use Google Drive. It's a little bit easier. So let's say that I want to make right here, these words right here, a clickable link to the IBS. I'm not going to change mine right here. I'm not going to change the IBS right here. I'm just going to pretend that this is my IBS. So I'm going to highlight it, okay? And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on link right here. So I click on link. Here are the words, and now I have to find a URL to where that IBS is. So mine is in my Google Drive. So I open up the Gmail, the Gmail account. I click on the little 9 squares right here, and then I select Drive, which is Google Drive. I find the IBS that I want, and it's right here. I right click, and then I click on Get Link. And then it says that here's the link right here, and I want to copy link, and it says link is copied. So I can go ahead and close it. I click Done. I go back to my matrix, and I drop that right inside this URL box. So it's saying that these words right here are going to, when I click on that, it's going to go to this link. I click OK. And there it is right there as a clickable link. And I click Save. And now these words right here are a clickable link. So when you start sending out emails, you'll be sending out the IBS with it. So there you go. I hope this helps. And I hope you watch all the other videos that we make for you. Thank you.